Hello everyone, warm welcomes to everyone. In this video, I would like to describe about our project online signature verification. Online signature verification is a project which is mostly used in banking sectors because the most part of the authentication or security check which is done using the signatures and hand impressions or fingerprints takes place in the banking sector. Taking this concept into consideration, we developed an online signature verification for authentication of the users' accounts. So here comes the website. This is a basic website which has some general online features and some extra features. This is login, this is branches, etc., help, downloads, and contact us forms. These are the basic website features which are available in most of the websites of most of the banking websites. And this is a sign-in. What is different from the general sign-in? What happens in the general sign-in is the banks take the user ID and the password, and they will let us in. Uh, Considering these two as the only criteria for the uh, signing in. But in our case, we were using other feature called as signature. As we don't have the hardware device right now, but we can generate the signatures, and using the signatures, we can allow him to sign in his account. As of now, we are using a static file which is present. So there is an option of signature, choose the file, and there are some files which are corresponding to each user. Here the user is mi1 mi5, and the corresponding user of mi5 is like the first user. This is present in the database where the mi user is there. Here the software, what the software does is, whenever he provides the proper user ID with the password and the signature, firstly it won't consider the signature, it will be storing the signature aside. And what it does is, using the user ID and the password, it grasps the ID of the uh, ID of the user, which corresponds to particular signatures. Each user will be submitting us a bunch of signatures which we use for our training of the classifier. And these are the some of the bunch of signatures and some of the testing signatures, and these are genuine signatures of the user. As you see, this was taken, and when you log in, yeah, it goes into the account. And it is also having some basic features of every banking website: accounting summary, mini statements, account details, statement of account, and transfer funds, add external page, view pay loans, mails, which has some inbox and small stuff, personalizing logout, and this is announcement, and like this is very small stuff. The main part of this project comes in the image processing of the signature, because apart from this, everything is present in everything is present in the each of the banking websites, and there is no special in doing this. But the differentiation comes in this part where the image processing is done, where the signatures are processed, and this is the main code for the image processing, where like internally these things happen in the background, so you can't be able to see what exactly happened. But in case of this, I will be explicitly showing you how everything goes like working. Run. Yeah, and this is the user ID, as I mentioned, signature of the signature dataset. This signature dataset is the dataset of a particular ID. 001 is the person's ID, and browse. As see, like this is already classified data which is used for testing, This is very general data which is available for every image processing, every image processing, and we are taking the forgery signature and verify. This is the training part where it trains all the signatures present, all the signatures given by the customer, and these are all the forgery signatures. And now the classifier is building using the both training and forgery signatures. And this is our signature which we shared. As if you remember this is the signature which we shared, czam.f1.sig, and this is the same, and this is the signature, and we got the output as forgery signature. This is a forgery signature, and this is a predefined class, so I didn't do any changes. Yeah, here we consider some other data set too for training the data, and browse blind Chrome genuine. I want to put a genuine data set now, and this is the genuine data set of the second. Yeah, and now you can see the training is happening. This is the training part, as we already mentioned in the first data set part. And this is a genuine signature, and this is the file which we share. This is the file signature6.sig. This is the file, and now you can see the plot of the signature. It considers many attributes for plotting the signature. These are very internal attributes, so you can find them in the functions which we used. And apart from that, we mentioned everything in the test case, and we mentioned in the presentations. So hope you enjoy this video and hope you enjoy our software. Thank you so much.